and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josephine and this is my beauty channel. If you're not already subscribing, I would really recommend you or suggest you to do that. Just click the button down there. Today we're going to do another mystery bag unboxing. A week ago I bought 2 of these bags at the store Normal. They have everything in this store. They have just a bunch of pretty much. So I bought 2 more of these. The last time I received a lot of toothbrushes. Yeah, I don't remember. I asked the girl in the store if the bags had the same products. She said no. So we just pray to God that's true. So maybe we should dive into these. I don't know which one to open first. This is the heaviest, so I think we're going to take that one. And you have a little hole here so you can peek a little. I haven't. So let's just open this. And they were 78 Swedish crowns, so around $7-8. And Normal is a store from Denmark originally, and they expand to a couple of countries, and I think their vision is to expand even more to more countries around Europe, so maybe you'll see these stores very soon. We have a bunch of them in Sweden. In the first video I had bought 2 mystery bags from Normal in Norrköping. These 2 I bought in Marieberg Mall in Örebro, so at least they're not from the same store. I've seen on YouTube that other people opened these boxes or bags and they received a lot of makeup and stuff. I didn't, so I'm a bit jealous, but that's life. And probably no makeup in these either, so I don't have much hope because then I can't be disappointed. But let's start. Like that. I'm not going to peek, I'm just going to take one product at a time and see what we have. So I'm just putting it down. So first product. I like this brand. I've actually had a cleanser from them, I think. Formula 1006. So totally clean deep pore cleanser, original formula. This cleanser wipes away dirt, oil and impurities to clear pores and refresh skin. Daily use helps to gently exfoliate oily and blemish prone skin. Okay, 200 milliliters. I like the packaging. Fun! I really like that. It must retail for at least $5 or something, so almost the worth of the bag. Good product. Let's move on. Okay, this was a good bag. So also from Formula 1006, Best Face Forward Daily Foaming Cleanser, passion fruit and green tea. Fresh foaming gel cleanser washes away oil and impurities for a sparkling clear complexion. Green tea and camel pacify while passion fruit balances skin. Your skin looks clean, clear and healthy every day. 150 milliliters. Big size, we like that. So what was this? Pore cleanser, foaming cleanser, same brand. Okay, I'm most excited about this. What is this? More skin stuff. Botanicals Fresh Care, ginger and coriander strengthening conditioner for fragile hair, strengthens and detangles. Vegan formula, 200 milliliters from L'Oreal Paris. Always good to have conditioner, and big size, 200 milliliters. This will last you a while and it seems like a good conditioner actually. Move on. Oh, what is this? Botanicals Fresh Care, argan and safflower nourishing shampoo for dry hair, nourishes from root to tip, silicone free for a natural feel, vegan formula, 400 milliliters, L'Oreal Paris. So it has a pump. I really like that. I usually buy products with pumps because I have a shelf in my shower, so I just put it and then I just pump out the product. I don't have to take it out, open it, you know, That's exhausting. Good product. I mean, I think this actually costs not a lot, but still a couple of dollars each. One more. So this is also the 1006 brand. One smooth operator, pore clearing face scrub, zinc oat pumice. Purifying scrub leaves skin fresh, smooth and clear. Pumice micro particles buff away dead skin to revitalize your complexion. Oatmeal draws out impurities and zinc controls oil to defy shine. 100 milliliters. Okay. I have to clean my skin a lot. They knew I was the customer, I think, because my skin is terrible. No. How much? Oh. I already have a bunch of these, but this is a cuticle pusher from Eleganza. These cost like $1. So it's just like a little knife thing, and you cut off your cuticle, dead skin. Always good to have, but I tend to cut off too much, so my finger starts to bleed. Okay, it's fine. We have a makeup product. What the f is this? Okay, it's like dry as f. Okay, I think this is old. It's Bow the Brow thickener from W7. It wasn't sealed, so it's supposed to be powderish, medium brown. Shake well before use. Okay, I will test that, even though I think this is used or something. Probably just a product a customer have opened, even though you're not allowed to do that. That was the last product in the first bag, so let's open the second one. I have a feeling there are some products I've already received. That's how it went last time. Okay, first product is a sleeping mask. I don't have one of these, so that's good. I'm not really sure why you use these. I don't think this would help me to sleep. Maybe when you're on an airplane or something. Good to have. No, one more. I just hope these are good. But if they are, then it's good to have two. So we probably will receive the rest of them as well. Yeah. Okay, is it exactly the same? Yeah. And I asked her, is it the same product in the bags? No. Well, yeah, obviously. What the move on. Oh, oil-free moisturizer with niacinamide. Oily skin, earth-friendly recycled plastic. Perfume-free, allergy certified and 100% vegan. Made in Denmark by professional pharmacists. Ivy Aya. I think this is a more expensive brand. Always good to have. Good size. I will definitely test that. And one product that I haven't already received, so appreciate that. Oi, okay. Face Facts Antioxidant Clay Mask helps brighten and nourish skin, enriched with blueberry extract. Vegan, 60 milliliters. With a little lid. To be honest, I hate face masks overall, all masks, but I will probably use it sometime. The last product is Revox Just Salicylic Acid Peeling Solution without paraben, sit and meat, paraffin and mineral oil. Lighten up, smile more, laugh more, enjoy life. That's a weird description. Obviously it's something for your face. And with that description, it sounds more like a teeth product. Yeah, so it's just the acid and it exfoliates and clean the skin, blah blah blah. I've just bought one of these kind of from The Ordinary. This really reminds of that. I can probably test it after I've done my testing period with the Ordinary brand, with my Ordinary products. Okay, fun. I think these are, well, a bit more expensive. Oh, this is dirty. So, 2 of these. The acid thing, a mask, 2 cleansers, a cuticle pusher, a very dry and opened brow thickener, 2 face scrubs, a shampoo and conditioner, a sleep mask, and a moisturizer from Ivy Aya. That's all of the products, and we paid $16. These products are more in the beauty category. Last time I just got a bunch of weird random stuff, not really useful for anything. These are, you know, stuff I use on a daily basis pretty much, so that's good. And I will probably test all of these, so I'm happy. And if I get the opportunity to buy more of these mystery bags, I will. I love them, and I love to watch these kinds of videos, so therefore I do them myself. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you don't want to miss my future videos, you can click on the bell and turn on the notifications. And if you want more of these videos, or if you have suggestions of other bags or boxes or anything you want me to try or buy or do, just comment. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye!